Man. Oh, that is very nice. That is very clean. The camera, that is A+. What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have one of the most popular cases when it comes to smartphones, and that is the company Pitaka. Now, they make the slim, ultra slim and lightweight design. It's a minimalistic design, and also has MagSafe, so it provides that sleek look and feel. Now, this is basically just the back cover for your Z Fold6. You know, obviously you have the glass in the front, you got it'll cover up the back, but it's not going to cover up the front, so you will need a little tempered glass, or I'm going to show you a secret maybe you can use so that you can protect your device. Pitaka always has great packaging. I wanted to thank them for sending this over. Now, these cases come in 3 colors. This is the Moonrise. They also have the Sunset, and they also have the Black. So they have different colors when it comes to their cases. Now, these are really well made. They're very nice, very beautiful cases. I really do like it. It's an aramid fiber, so you get that really sleek look, but it's very strong, but it doesn't provide a lot of protection. Man, I really love the camera design. That looks really, really hot. Man, look at that. Isn't that nice? So it also comes with a little sticker here on the back, so it won't pop off your device. Not sure the reason for them not giving you a... Man. Oh, that is very nice. That is very clean. The camera, that is A+. And I love this little Pitaka branding there. Some people might not like that. I do like the way this looks. I'm not crazy about the fact that there's not a front piece for this. So, not sure the reasoning for the not having a front piece on the, or a front frame with this case, but this is like super grippy. It's beautiful. Now, Pitaka does warn you on the website. It does say that the Z Fold6 case only covers the back camera side. It does not include the screen cover. And it says, if this is your concern, please think carefully before you purchase. So make sure you keep that in mind. But it's just a beautiful case. The way it feels on here, I mean, the quality of it is just primo. All the openings there are absolutely lined up perfectly. You're not going to have any kind of hinge protection, obviously, because it's a very slim case. But as far as the back is concerned, it looks really, really nice with this. It's just gorgeous. Now, let's try the MagSafe. I do have a screen protector on here. I personally would not use this case like this. To me, you know how it is. When you're not protected is when you're going to get in trouble. So, but the MagSafe on here works really well. Pitaka has strong MagSafe, so that's going to work well. If you have any mounts in your car, in your office, or whatever it is, you're going to be good to go. Now, so what do you do about the front piece? Well, what I would recommend is if you have another case that you bought or you're using that has sort of the same kind of look. Obviously, it's not going to look as good because it's not blue, but you can use another case front piece, and that way you have complete protection. I mean, it's minimal because obviously this is another aramid fiber front piece from another case, and also it doesn't match. So I do wish that Pitaka would make a front frame for this that looked good. So I just think it's crazy that you're just gonna free ball like that. Here's another one. This one's a little thicker. This is from another company. This probably matches a little better. This actually might look better together because it's blue, and this one's a little bigger. I think this one probably looks the best. and you got the blue, you got there, but I still don't think it matches. I still don't think it looks great. But you know, it's better than not having a front piece at all. So just keep that in mind when you're gonna buy this, because you gotta remember. But this is a really, really nice back case. I just wish it had the front, and for whatever reason Pitaka doesn't provide a front, but this is a good combination here. I will say about this screen, or the fingerprint it works pretty good. I mean, it does come over the fingerprint a little bit, as you can see there. It does come over a little bit, so there is a little bit of a work. You know, you have to work your way to get to the fingerprint, but it does work pretty good. So just keep that in mind. It does loop over the fingerprint a little bit, and the volume up and down button. It's not a deal breaker, but it is there. It's just a little bit of a lip there. But yeah, that is the Sunset Moonrise. Or the Moonrise, sorry. The Sunset is more of a black and yellow, or like a brownish with a orange and yellow, and then this one has got the blue. So this one is the Moonrise ultra slim case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So thanks so much for watching.